Oh, hi. Didn't see you standing there. We've been having a great time in the hatch thus far.
Yeah, it's been great. A few new things with us. But as always, my name's Nick Bundy.
And I'm Jacob Howder.
So we've updated a few things since we've last talked. So previously we were known as the Evac Safe, but now we've changed our product to the Safely, so you can get to your destination safely in the time of disaster. Also, we've had a few challenges along the way. The hatch overall has been a great experience, but so far we've had a little bit of difficulty with our product development, but now we actually have our first prototype in hand, and Jacob will show you that in this video.
I absolutely will show you this prototype. Over spring break, I was able to put together, using industrial fabric, the prototype of the Safely. Essentially, what the Safely is something that folds up this way, and when you need to open it, you open the flaps, like so. In the middle fireproof, waterproof compartment, you store all your important documents right in there. And on the sides, this is where you store your survival products for being on the go. Specialized pockets offer comfort and stability for all your products. Once it is done, you fold it back up, strap it up, and you will be on your way, ready to evacuate safely.
And as always, you can follow us along on social media at Twitter and Instagram at HatchlingNick.
And hashtag HatchlingJacob. The hatch is less than a month away, and we hope to safely secure an investment from the investors.